Hey everybody, it's your girl Winter Slays here, and today I'm back with another video. And I know you guys can tell by the title, this video is a Valentine's Day get ready with me. So I just want to give you guys a little update on my love life. Your girl is still single, so if y'all know any single bachelors, tell them about me. I'm just kidding, but I'm just been going with the flow of things. Trying to date, but haven't really been dating, so I'm just focusing on working and doing my YouTube. And if it's a man for me, he'll come along and sweep me off my little feet. So I just want to show you guys what I'm about to use in my shower. So basically, this is my favorite body wash, the Black Cherry Merlot. I had a whole bunch of these, so that's my last one I'm about to use. And then I'm also going to use, it wouldn't be a Winter Slays Valentine's Day video without my favorite scrubs. So this is the Tree Hut Shea Sugar Scrub. I like this one. So, and then for my perfumes, I'm either going to use my gingham from Bath and Body Works or my Lotus Desire from Victoria's Secret. And this one, I really love this one a lot. So after my shower, I'm just going to do my makeup. As you can see, the hair is already styled. Ignore the edges, but the hair is already done. It's knotless, jumbo knotless braids. So after the shower, I'm going to get started with the makeup, and then the lingerie, and I might throw in a date night outfit. So I'll see you guys in a minute. guys, this is the makeup. Looks a little crazy because the light. Just trying something different, so let's not really blend it out. But I'm about to put on the outfit and take some pictures. So I'm just gonna do the lingerie. So I'm gonna show you guys in 1 second. All right, I don't know if y'all can see me or not, but this is the outfit, and it's from Love Vera. You can find them on Instagram. This, maybe get the name right to tell y'all. So this is the Love Vera Rose Lace and Mesh Crossback bra in black. And I got this in a 4X size up. There's a little crisscross in the back. The thong is the lace and fishnet high-waisted thong, black, curvy, and it's a 3X. The top was $34. The thong was $6.99. And then I also have this skirt. This is the Love Vera Dot Mesh pencil skirt in black, and this was a 3X. And this was $26. And then I had 20% off. So what's up with? I don't want to show you too much exposure, but and I just feel like a bad bitch with the makeup and the outfit. Like, it's so cute. So that was pretty much it, the end of this video. Comment down below what you guys are doing for Valentine's Day, and also comment down below what other videos you would like to see from me. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, which is linked down below. And also, I'll see you guys in the next one.